Checking your account balance on Acorns is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to quickly find your balance. Step 1. Open the Acorns app. Launch the Acorns app on your mobile device. Ensure you are connected to the internet for the app to function properly. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the Acorns.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to the account overview. Once logged in, look for the account overview section on the home screen. This section typically displays your total investment balance and recent activity. Step 4. View your balance. In the account overview, you will see your current account balance prominently displayed. This amount reflects your total investments and any cash available. Step 5. Explore additional details. If you want more information, tap on the balance to view a breakdown of your investments, including individual portfolio performance and contributions. Now you can easily check your account balance on Acorns whenever you need to.